children! How many of you like painting? Well, today we'll learn about Introduction to Tux Paint. This chapter focuses on features of Tux Paint, starting Tux Paint, components of Tux Paint window, starting a new drawing, coloring the drawing, using the paint tool, erasing a drawing, saving a drawing, closing Tux Paint, opening a saved drawing. Tux Paint is a drawing and coloring software for computers. It is simple to use. It includes a variety of useful tools for drawing and coloring graphics. Working on Tux Paint is a lot of fun. Now, let's learn the features of Tux Paint. It has many ready-made tools that help us make beautiful drawings. It has entertaining sound effects and an encouraging cartoon mascot who guides us through the program. Starting Tux Paint. To start Tux Paint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on Tux Paint. Click on Tux Paint option. The Tux Paint window appears. Quick tidbit: Tux Paint was released in 2002. After a few seconds, the main Tux Paint window will appear. Now, what are the components of Tux Paint window? We have a toolbar, drawing canvas, colors palette, we have information area, and we have a selector. So the Tux Paint window is divided into 5 main sections. Toolbar. The tools bar contains drawing and editing tools. It has 16 different tools and every tool has its name embossed on it. Drawing canvas. The most significant part of the screen in the center is called the drawing canvas. Selector. Depending on the selected tool, the selector shows different options. For example, when the paint tool is selected, it shows the various brushes available. Color palette. A palette of available colors is shown at the bottom of the window. Information area. Instructions, tips, and encouragement are provided in the information area. Let's do the Pixel Octopus activity. Label the different parts of the Tux Paint window. What is this? Toolbar. Perfect. What is this? Colors palette. Very good. And what is this? Information area. Wonderful. And what is this? Drawing canvas. Perfect. And what is this? The different kinds of brushes. Wonderful. Now, starting a new drawing. To make a new drawing in Tux Paint, we can use ready-made backgrounds or drawings called starters. To do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the New button in the Tools bar. The options for backgrounds and starters appear on the canvas. Step 2. Click on the up or down arrow button in the selector to find a drawing of your choice. Step 3. Select the drawing and click on the Open button. Step 4. The picture appears on the canvas. Coloring the drawing. Follow the given steps to color a drawing. Step 1. Click on the Fill tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Pick a color from the color palette. Step 3. Click inside the picture to fill it with the color of your choice. Using the Paint tool. You can use the Paint tool to make various drawings with various brush shapes. You can select the brush from the selector pane. Some brushes are animated and their shapes change as you draw with them. To draw using the Paint tool, follow these steps. Step 1. click on the Paint tool in the Tools bar. The selector will now display brushes of different shapes and sizes. Step 2. Select a color from the palette. Step 3. Select a brush shape from the selector pane that you want to use. Step 4. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing canvas. Click to start drawing and coloring. Now let's learn how to erase the drawing. The eraser tool is used for erasing any part of the drawing. It is just like using an eraser when you make a mistake while drawing on paper. To erase a part of your drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the eraser tool from the Tools bar. The selector pane will now show erasers of different sizes and shapes. Step 2. Select the shape of the eraser from the selector pane. Step 3. Place the eraser on top of the drawing canvas. Now drag the mouse over the area you want to erase.
Quick tip to correct a mistake, always use Ctrl+Z.
Saving your work. Once your drawing is created, you can save it for future use. Save tool on the Tools bar saves your drawing in the virtual picture book. To save your drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Save button to save the drawing. Step 2. It will simply save the picture and play a camera shutter sound effect. The penguin tells you that you have successfully saved your file. Closing Tux Paint. To close Tux Paint, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Quit tool from Tools bar. A dialog box will appear. Step 2. In the dialog box, click on Yes, I'm done button. This will close the window. Now, how to open a saved drawing? You can open the drawing that you have already saved in the virtual picture book. To open a saved drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Open button from the Tools bar. A list of all the pictures you have saved will appear. Step 2. Click a picture to select it and then click the green Open button to load the selected picture. Now let us have a recap of this chapter. The screen in the center is called the drawing canvas. The Tools bar contains drawing and editing tools. We can pick a color from the color palette. The eraser tool helps to erase mistakes. Drawings can be saved by clicking on the Save tool.